Hey y'all, welcome to Life with Carion'Tae. I'm Carion'Tae, and today we're going to be talking about how it is okay to start off small while on your weight loss journey. I believe starting off small is the best way to start because it helps build discipline, consistency, it helps with structure, it just helps you with your journey. It also helps you stay focused and motivated. While on this weight loss journey that I've been doing constantly, starting and stopping for the last couple of months, this is probably the most consistent I've ever been. I started at 302 and I'm currently at 280. So big win for myself. I'm so proud of myself. I still have a long way to go. However, this is the discipline I'm talking about, the consistency and the structure that I built for myself. I started off small. I'm still starting off small. So I would always walk in the gym, run on the treadmill, maybe like 5 minutes. Walk on the stairmaster. I could barely get over level one on over 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. I would be tired and out of breath. But I've learned that it's okay to start off small. I've learned that I don't have to go on the big weights that everybody else that's doing that in the gym. I don't have to do that. I can just take my time. If I'm not ready for the weights, do some squats. Just do anything, just do something to keep your body moving and keep on going for at least 30 minutes a day. While on a weight loss journey, I tried to do a low calorie intake and I tried to switch my whole diet up. Tried it the first time and it failed. Tried it again, I failed again. And then my last time, I said I wasn't failing because what I did different the last time was that I didn't look at others' meal plans and I didn't look at what others were doing. I just listened to my body, felt what my body wanted. And then you know your body the best because you're living in it every day. And you have that feeling for yourself. So what I did was watermelon fast. Okay, that helped me a lot. I did lose a good bit of weight within the watermelon fast. And then what I also did was water fasting. Okay, these fasting are good for me, for my body. It's resetting my body. I'm going ahead and I'm detoxing my body. So that's good. That's helping me while on my weight loss journey. I have more energy. I'm able to sleep longer. I'm able to stay up longer. It's just that my body, I felt the change in my body. And that was great because I started off small. I didn't try to go into the last time. I did not try to go into a low calorie deficit because the first two times I did it, I was lost. I didn't know what to eat. I still was tempted to eat the regular food, which made me eat it. I would eat stuff that my partner, my significant other, was eating that had a hold on me, and I felt like that kept my body trapped in the inside. And seeing what others were doing or how their results were coming out while they were on their journey, it will make me sometimes get depressed. I would be sad, angry, crying, mad at myself because I wasn't where I needed to be at. And because of that, that helped motivate myself and it gave me inspiration to keep on going and inspired me to be the best version of myself. Now, I'm not where I need to be right now, but we're going to get there slowly. And because of the consistency and discipline that I've built within myself, that helped so much. And the way I was able to build that was through small steps in my weight loss journey. I remember I was at my highest, 302. I was at my highest and I was so stressed. The clothes I would put on didn't fit right. It's like I was just so depressed. It was like unacceptable at that point. I knew I had to do something to better myself and to change the way I look on the outside, the way how I felt in the inside, because you're a reflection of yourself. So what I've did since then, since I was 302, now I'm at 280. So congratulations to myself. We still have a long way to go, but we're gonna keep on pushing, keep on going. But what I did was I started exercising 3 times a week, maybe 30 minutes to an hour each day. And then when I say exercising, I mean walking on the treadmill, a little bit jogging here and there on the treadmill, squats, sit ups every now and then, dog hydrants, stuff to rebuild my body as well. So, like, by me doing that, in small steps, it helped me look at the bigger picture. It made the small steps may not look like much right now, but over time, you're going to see it, you're going to feel it. So it is okay to start off small. Starting off small doesn't mean that you're lower than anybody. Starting off small just means that you're listening to yourself and to your body. Like you know what's going on better than anybody else knows what's going on. So if you didn't get anything from this video, I hope you got that. Your pace is the best pace, and it's okay to start off small. Bye.